Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to be making a peach dump cake. These are the ingredients I will be using in this video. I am going to be adding 2 cans of peaches to my bowl. And I'm going to be adding my spices. I really like the one from Flavor God, Buttery Cinnamon Roll. I'm also adding cinnamon, nutmeg, vanilla, milk, and sugar to taste. I didn't want it too sweet, so I just added a little bit of sugar, but like I said earlier, just add to taste. This is optional, but I'm going to be adding in some lemon extract. Now you can pour your peach mixture into the appropriate size pan. Then you want to add a box of yellow cake mix on top. You get it evenly distributed. You want to take 2 sticks of butter and slice them up and place them as I'm doing here. And I'm just sprinkling on some more of my buttery cinnamon roll. Now just placing it in the oven at 400 degrees for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the cake is golden brown. This is my finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please thumbs up, comment, and subscribe.